It's a great pleasure to see you again, my lady.
It's been far too long, Master Kenobi.
Obi-Wan's been here, hasn't he?
He came by this morning.
It was dark, and I was over until you
No!
kissed my lips.
Let her go, Anakin!
My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
If the Viceroy escapes, Your Highness, he will return with another droid army.
Well, that is why we must not fail to get the Viceroy. Everything depends on it.
But there's a side to you
Padme.
that I never knew,
Anakin has turned to the dark side.
You're wrong. How could you even say that? I only wish to discuss this with one I trust. Obi-Wan was right.
You turned her against me!
You have done that yourself!
Are you my real father?
Padme, I must find him.
You're going to kill him, aren't you?
I am Queen Amidala.
Anakin is the father, isn't he? I wish I could say I was. But no, I'm not. He has become a very great threat. I don't want to hear any more about Obi-Wan. The Jedi turned against me. Don't you turn against me?
Let her go!
I'm so sorry.
I'll get to the bottom of this plot quickly, my lady. You'll be back here in no time.
I'm most grateful for your spirit.
We will not exceed our mandate while young Padawan alone.
I can't leave her! Come to your senses! What do you think Padme would do were she in your position? You will not take her from me! Your anger and your lust for power have already done that.